to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Goa police to record statement of victim in Mumbai. Tarun Tejpal applies for anticipatory bail. Book Shoma Chaudhary 2 demands Women's Commission. Churchill and Advocate Radha Rao meet Governor for Kaitu's disqualification. UGDP all set to contest by poll in Banauli, says Radha Rao gracious. EDM dispute continues at Kandolim. Sunburn and Wycombe brace for Kandolim lease area. Single window system for Sunburn comes under scanner in High Court. Arushi murder case. CBI Special Court convicts Arushi's parents for killing their own child and domestic help Hemraj. Quantum of sentence on Tuesday. And SIT on illegal mining gears up to summon accused in the case, begins collecting records from Mines Department. Now news in detail. Goa police have established contact with the sexual assault victim journalist. Lady police officer of crime branch is likely to meet the victim in Mumbai on Tuesday. Meanwhile, accused Tarun Tejpal has approached Delhi High Court seeking anticipatory bail to avoid his possible arrest. State Women's Commission has demanded an FIR against managing editor of Tehelka, Shoma Chaudhary.
Requesting to respect the modesty and privacy of the rape victim, journalist of Tehelka. DIG of Goa Police, O.P. Mishra, said that they have succeeded in establishing contact with the victim. Without revealing more details, O.P. Mishra said that police is proceeding in the case steadily.
Investigating officer of the case has been able to establish contact with the victim. I am not going to divulge further anything at all about this, because this has very serious implications related to the privacy and dignity of the victim.
According to the sources, Goa police will record victim's first statement in Mumbai rather than calling her here in Goa. PI of Crime Branch, Sudiksha Naik, will likely fly to Mumbai on Tuesday to record victim's statement. On the other hand, accused Tarun Tejpal has filed plea for anticipatory bail before Delhi High Court. Goa police will oppose Tarun's anticipatory bail plea when the High Court will hear the petition on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the State Women's Commission has demanded that managing editor of Tehelka, Shoma Chaudhary, be also booked in the sex assault case.
Tarun Tejpal asa titlis ती बी जबाबदार आसा कोण शोमा चौधरी आणि म्हाका अशें दिसता की आता तरी पोलिसांनी जागे जावन बेगीतल्या बेगीन त्या तरुण तेजपालाक अरेस्ट करपाचो गोव्यान हाडपाचो आणि त्या भायर आमची विक्टीम आसा पळय तिका पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दिवचें तिच्या फॅमिलीक पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दिवचें आणि ज्या विटनेस 3 विटनेसांनी तिच्या बद्दल कितें सांगलां पळय बयान दिलां तें बी तिका तांकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवचें.
With reporter Mukesh Kumar, video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Churchill Alemao and Advocate Radha Rao Gracious have alleged that Congress at the centre is shielding BJP and GVP MLA over Portuguese citizenship as their own MPs are stuck in the nationality row. Duo met Governor on Monday. Radha Rao said Governor will refer the matter to the Election Commission. He also informed that UGDP will field its candidate from Banauli constituency if Kaitu is disqualified.
Delegation led by Advocate Radha Rao Gracious met Governor Bharatveer Vanchu. Governor has assured them to refer the matter to the Election Commission.
We have been assured by the Governor that he would be referring this petition to the Election Commission of India as required under Article 192 for its report. And as soon as the report from the Election Commission comes, the Governor of Goa will give a final decision on.
Advocate Radha Rao alleged that some of the Congress members are having Portuguese nationality. He warned that if Congress allots Lok Sabha tickets to such dubious candidates, Then he will expose them before the Election Commission.
One Congress MP has also registered in Portugal. Our information is that another one who has almost been assured of the Congress seat for South Goa next time around is also holding a Portuguese nationality, and it is these elements who may have been obstructing the early decision in the matter. Let them give tickets to these foreign nationals. We have got all ammunitions at our disposal. We will go and appear before the returning officer and get the nominations rejected and see that the Congress does not have a candidate in South Goa. I am not here representing my party, will certainly figure in Benaulim constituency.
He slammed BJP for being more interested in power than patriotism.
So we demand that special provision should be made so that Goans who for the sake of economics have registered their births in Portugal are safeguarded. They are not anti-national elements. Even the BJP is today giving tickets to Portuguese nationals. So these people ought to be protected. And I would like to make one more point. The BJP, which always claims to be nationalist and super patriot, is the party that has been giving ticket to foreigners. And there is no silence. All those Deshpremi and all those BJP fellows who have been talking about Portuguese and all this, they seem to be silent. For them, the survival of the government is more important than patriotism.
PWD Minister Churchill Alemao questioned why freedom fighters and other BJP wings were silent on this issue.
Freedom fighter आमचे गोंयचे फुया आहाय ते ओगडे दिन दिजाले खबर ना म्हाका आतां तेमी हे बडबो माताले तेमी हांव तेका मागता दोग जाणां पुर्तुगीज आमदार म्हणून असेंब्ली बसलो आहाय तेजो मातसो असेंब्ली वचून दिवपाक आनी चिकोर काडपाक.
NCP has demanded recovery of government expenses incurred by Kaitu during his tenure as MLA.
Whatever benefit he has taken being a MLA, that all amount, whatever they have taken, he should revert it back to the government treasury.
Situation change झाले. वॉच राजेंद्र आर्लेकर गोंयचो स्पीकर आहा. सो आता तो काय बावटे दाखयतलो असेंब्लीन हे दोन आमदारांक काय तो आपल्याचेरूच प्रोटेस्ट करतलो. तेन्ना ताणें डिमांड केल्लें की दिगंबर कामतीन जर ते बोटीचेर पांय दितलो जाल्यार पयलीं रिजायन जावचो आनी पांय दिवचो म्हणून नाल्यार ताणें येवचें न्ही म्हणून दिगंबर कामतूय गेलोच ना ते बोटीचेर. म्हजो प्रश्न असो आहा की आतां मनोहर पर्रीकार असेंब्लीन वतलो जानेवारीन आमचें सेशन जावपाचें आहा तेन्ना मेरेन जर हे आमदार आसात जाल्यार मनोहर पर्रीकारान रिजायन जावन मागीर भितर सरपाचें.
Bureau Report Prudent.
The dispute of EDM at Kandolim remained unresolved on Monday as the lease rights for the land at the venue are divided between the Sunburn and Wycombe. There are efforts at government level to resolve the issue based on legal standing. Meanwhile, the High Court has directed the government to file an affidavit explaining the guidelines followed by single window committee while granting permissions to such events or festivals.
The process of verifying the documents for EDM at Kandolim doesn't seem ending. The representatives met the single window committee and submitted their claim with supporting documents pertaining to the leased land at Kandolim. Government has already taken Percept's documents on record last week. Sources say the land at disputed venue is divided between both the claiming parties. As per the latest lease, the lease rights of prime share of land are currently with the Viacom. Single window committee may take a final call on the issue in a week's time. Meanwhile, a question has been raised before the High Court in the view of permission given to organize Sunburn Festival in 2012. On Monday, petitioner contended that single window committee has given unchannelized power to permit a music festival or an event. Petitioner also alleged that there are no proper guidelines laid down for the committee. Citing example of permission given to Sunburn Festival at Kandolim in 2012, the petitioner said that Kandolim is highly populated area. Still, permission was given to organize the EDM. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that single window committee is working under proper guidelines and will add some more. The High Court then directed state government to file an affidavit by next Monday, explaining the guidelines to be followed by single window committee. AG has also said that there is not much traffic-related problem at the site and firefighters remain stationed. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.